Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dini Nurhayati. I studied at the State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung, and my major is Public Administration. I want to presentation about Indonesia's foreign policy in the field of public health. Ministry of Health Policy Direction and Strategy. Health development is an integral part of national development, so the policy direction of health development strategy refers to national development policies and strategy. Health development is part of the development of socioculture and religious life, which is directed to achieve the target of improving the quality of human research, which is marked by an increase in the gender development index, which is supported by the assessment of balanced population growth and stronger national identity and character. The policy direction of the Ministry of Health refers to several things. 1. Increasing quality universal health coverage. 2. Improving the health status of the community through the life cycle. 3. Increasing the culture of the community to live a healthy life through community empowerment. 4. Improve prevention, disease control, and management of public health emergencies. And 5. Increase health resources. Policy direction and strategy of the Bureau of Foreign Cooperation. The direction of policies and strategies for implementing foreign cooperation activities takes into account the priority focus of health development. Foreign cooperation is also developed to support global commitment in health development. However, in accordance with the mandate of the law on international relations and the law on international treaties, in developing international cooperation, it also pays attention to foreign policy through coordination with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The development of foreign cooperation and diplomacy in the health sector is carried out with a multi-track approach through bilateral, regional, and multilateral cooperation. In developing this cooperation, the Foreign Cooperation Bureau functions as the first gate entry and the Ministry of Health, including in managing foreign loans and grants and the Ministry of Health. Efforts to implement the policies described previously were carried out with several strategies. A. Improve bilateral health cooperation relation between the Republic of Indonesia and other countries. B. Increasing Indonesia's role and leadership in international forums, both regional and multilateral. C. Increase accountability and transparency towards sustainable bureaucratic reform. D. Fight for the trade interests of the health sector in the globalization of trade in the WTO and other free trade areas to ensure public access to quality health services and the economic interests of other health sector. To support the achievement of the target of the Foreign Cooperation Bureau program, namely increasing Indonesia's active role in foreign cooperation in the health sector, with performance indicator, namely the number of bilateral cooperation agreement in the health sector SAIC and the number of Indonesian initiatives that are the result of regional and multilateral health meeting. 1. increasing bilateral health cooperation. Increasing bilateral cooperation in the health sector is aimed at supporting priority programs at the Ministry of Health. In addition, bilateral cooperation takes into account Indonesia national interests, including political, economic, and socio-cultural interests in carrying out bilateral cooperation in accordance with the principle of international agreement. Always coordinate with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs by taking into account the interests of Indonesia's foreign policy. Next, 2. Increasing regional health cooperation. Foreign cooperation in the health sector in Asia is force diplomacy. The benefit of this collaboration can be felt directly by the community, including standardization of the quality of health development in Asia. 3. Increasing multilateral health cooperation. The influence of global phenomena on health issues and their cross-border nature is the driving force for integration between health issues and foreign policy. The challenges of cross-border health challenges cannot be overcome by one country alone, so it is very important that all actors work together to build better collaboration to overcome global health problems. Indonesia always takes an active role in international health cooperation, one of which is multilateral cooperation. Fourth, facilitate the globalization of trade in the health sector and other economic cooperation. The Ministry of Health is also committed to supporting government policies under the coordination of the Ministry of Trade in developing economic cooperation in the health sector within the framework of trade and health sector goods, health service, investment, and intellectual property rights. The development of international trade cooperation in the health sector is carried out in a multi-track manner through multilateral cooperation at the WTO, regional and bilaterally. Conclusion. In conducting political relations or practices with other countries, Indonesia has priority by establishing cooperation that support Indonesia's interest in the principle of free and active politics, facilitate the achievement of national interest. Concentration environment is one of the factors that also influence Indonesia's foreign policy. The principle of concentric circle reflects the pattern of prioritization in the practice of foreign policy, so as to be able to make an optimal contribution to our national development. I think enough from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.